Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Okay, so we're just looking at actually fitting it out now. We've gone for these slide out drawers, so these ones are quite economical. What we're going to do is we're going to bolt them all together. We're going to try and reuse the original bolting holes. I've got to cut in a hole so if we ever want to change the tyre we can. And we're going to have two big slide outs. The slide out on top for keys, and then we're going to put a workbench in here. So this is going to be a little bit cheaper than what we normally do, but it should be more effective as far as being a rear standing workshop. Alright, so let's get started. Starting from nothing, and of course it's also rainy. See? Look at that. It's rainy. So we're pretty much just building this almost in the rain with a small gazebo. Let's get started. Okay, just a quick update. So we've got the two sliders in there. I've had to cut out a hole here to access the tyre if ever need be, and we've used the original bolt holes. So there's two bolt holes going down onto the chassis on each one, as you can see. So one there, and they are rock solid. So now we've got two side by side, and now we're going to work on putting that top slider on. Okay, so it's pack up time. The rain has not let off. It's been sprinkling and crappy all day, but at least we've got most of it done. So what you're looking at is the Van Volt, or Bunnings rebranded it Tactics, and these are 1200 by, the top one is 1200 by 100 by I think 180. The bottom ones are 1200 by half a meter by I think 3 to 350 high. So the idea behind this is that the top one's going to be used for keys. I've got to put the retaining screws in, but yeah, they're big. They're big. And you just lock it in place. And the bottom ones, as you can see, that's a lot of room. And we've got two of them. So it's a little bit different from the vans that we've made in the past, where you stand at the back and you pull out like a 400mm tool case, 400 by 400 or 450 by 450, either roller case or some of the other Fisher cases. That was pretty common, but we decided to go for something else on this van, something different, and we're trying to save a little bit of money, so I thought we'd try it and see how it is compared to getting Caddy to build everything or Rackavan to build everything. So we've gone for this, and this should give us the platform for the workbench. And if you look at my arm here, I can key up here all day, every day, cut key up. So I think this is going to be a nice platform. As for the rest of it, it's still up in the air a bit. This was the big part we wanted to put in to make it easy to get to the tools or get to the keys. So it's interesting setup. It's not my preferred choice, but the person who's using this likes this way, so it's better to have it the way that the person using it likes rather than the way that I like, because I'm not the one using it. So anyway, that's day one of the van fit out. It's going to be many more days, so I'll keep you informed. And yeah, it's not looking too bad. Now, for mounting these in, there was the standard mounts, these things here, and there was actually 4 of them. So we did that, and they actually come with lock certs already on the side. So all we had to do was really just make a couple of brackets. Once we bolted the bottom 2 down, we made the brackets, and then that bolts the top one down. Then we're going to need to do some metal work and come up with a bench on top. So okay,